So, hello po ma'am. I'm going to report chapter 5 of Straight Talk about Date Rape by Jessica Wilkins, which is chapter 5, Media Aware. So, umpisahan po natin sa introductions. Media influence our ideas about love, gender, and relationships. This message can normalize unhealthy behaviors. So, explore how media shapes what we believe. So, dito nga po, ang media po ay katulad na lamang ng mga napapanood natin sa television, sa social media, sa kahit saang platform is ini-influensyahan po tayo o nabibigyan po tayo ng ideas about sa relationship natin, about love, or sa kahit ano pa. Which is unhealthy po kasi dapat hindi po tayo nagbe-base sa mga nakikita natin sa social media, hindi po tayo dapat nagbe-base or hindi dapat po na kung yun yung pinanood natin, dapat ganun na rin yung mangyayari sa may relationship natin. So, hindi po ganun. So, unhealthy po yung na yun. Dapat po ay hindi ninyo normalize. Minsan po kasi na yung iba, pag may napanood, gusto ganun na rin sila. Iba-iba na magkaiba po ang sa media sa totoong buhay. So, kasali po doon sa may chapter 5 yung story ni Amy na at the age of 16, sinabi po niya na it was like he was excused or congratulated for what he did. So, yung story po kasi ni Amy is nag-start po siya sa love and nag-end po ng fear. So, na-abuse po kasi siya, may abuse pong nangyari sa story ni Amy. So, it was like he was excused or congratulated for what he did. Kasi, yung ibang tao, sino na yung victim, yun pa yung dinidiin. Hindi pa nila kinakampihan kung sino yung victim. Kundi, ang kakampihan pa nila is yung hindi naman victim, which is mali. Dapat, alam ng tao kung ano yung dapat nilang kinakampihan or ano yung dapat nilang pinapanigan about dito. Kasi syempre is she tried naman lang po to protect herself. Kasi nga po, yung boyfriend niya is na-abuse siya. So, pag pinotektahan mo ba yung sarili mo, which means ikaw na yung mali, ganun ba? Ganun po yung tingin ng ibang tao. So, next mixed message in media. So, TV and movies often show unequal relationships. One partner is dominant, the other is submissive. These portrayals normalize unhealthy dynamics. So, sa TV po kasi, kadalasan ang nakikita nga or napapanood ng iba is yung unequal relationship, which is yung lalaki, strong sila, and then yung babae is quiet lang, then support lang, ganun yung pinapakita nila. And then, pinapakita doon na yung isang partner is napaka-dominant, yung isa naman is submissive. So, yung mga pinoportray yung nila na yun is unhealthy. Kasi yung iba, nagagaya nila, ganun. Yung mga nakakanood na nagagaya nila kung ano yung nakikita nila sa TV or kahit sa ano pang media. Kaya kailangan po ay media aware tayo. O is, what are gender roles? Gender roles are cultural expectation of how men and women should behave. Often, men strong and controlling, women is passive and supportive. Leads to normalizing jealousy and control focus lang. Also, yung lalaki dapat strong and protective, ganon, girls sweet and caring. So, yung mga roles nila na yon ay nagkukos ng problems in real life because they are too strict and not true for everyone. Dapat kung ano ikaw, yun yung ipakita mo. Hindi yung kung ano lang yung dapat na gender roles mo, yun lang yung ginagawa mo. Hindi dapat ganun. Media sexualization. Media often shows women as objects for attention. Power is linked to looks and sexuality. Men gain power by objectifying women. This is not healthy or equal dynamic. So, diba, pag nanonood tayo ng mga nag-twerk na babae para sa TikTok, hindi natin nakikita yung babae as a person or as a people, nakikita natin siya sa object na nagpapaalog-alog lang ng puwet, gano'n, yun lang yung ginagawa niya. So, which is, yung babae, they are shown as sexy, not as smart or strong. And this is not a good message about how to treat others. So, next is, why healthy relationships looks like equality and mutual respect, open, honest communication, no violence or controlling behavior, support and safety for both partners. Totoo naman na pag nasa isang relasyon ka, dapat a good relationship is built on respect, kindness, and fairness. So, violence and control are never okay. We should learn to treat others with care, not copy bad examples from media. Dapat hindi natin ginagaya kung ano yung nakikita natin sa media. Kasi yung nasa media na yun, hindi dapat ina-apply yun sa totoong buhay. Dapat yung makita mo dun lang siya. Hindi mo siya dapat ginagaya. So, yun lang po. Thank you.